just a hired gun, taking shots and moving targets for fun, getting your fix from hunting down the young, going around and naming one by one. ODB preying on the innocent, just a method man, burning them holes right through the back of my head, playing with fire, begging for oxygen. Did you hear a word I said? Did you listen?
Alright, hand halves are in, and now we're going to prep for the rear air rag install. I kind of spent the last half an hour or so just prepping everything, kind of show you, got all the bracketry over here, and Joey put this together, all the control arms, notched the spring plates already, got the bags, the grommets, the spring plates, the shocks, the hardware, everything we're going to need to install the rear. But to do that, we need a transaxle. So we're going to install the brakes on the transaxle minus the calipers. Make that happen now. We have everything prepped and ready over here. And since you've seen this before, we're not going to do a step-by-step. We're actually going to put this on time-lapse and you get to enjoy.
To overthrow my crown, you're just a dead man walking through the town, looking to manipulate, but you're tied to your ball and chain. I gotta grab a pit with your fucking name on it. If you want something to remember me by, I got a silver tongue that cuts like a knife. Lying through your teeth. Honey, I ain't sweet, like a fucking disaster. Devil knows that I'ma take you down. I'ma take you down. I'ma take you down. Dig you into the ground. I'ma take you down. I'ma take you down. I'ma take you down. Dig you into the ground. I'ma take you
I'm an outcast on the inside, can't seem to find my mind. Not broken, half joking, I wear this smile by design. I'm sticks and stones, we float to the other side, straight to the bone. I'm a rebel for life. I'm a rebel for life. I'm a shadow and a savior, a ghost lost in the light. Loose trigger, grave digger, move mountains when the time is right. I'm sticks and stones, we float to the other side, straight to the bone. I'm a rebel for life. 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 never see us coming. Focus in my soul, chasing down the most, battling the ghost since I was born. This ain't make-believe. Every day this is our reality. Now I'm calm and clean. I was born for this, nothing in between. I know, yeah, hey, I know. This is where we come alive. Where we come alive. This is where we come alive. This is where we come alive. Waking up in this zone, no matter where we go, let them try to guess what's coming. Darkness closing in, pushing from within, writing in this book since I was born. This ain't nothing new. Every day fighting till the light comes through. Now it's time for truth. I'ma keep believing till the mountains move. I know, yeah, yeah, I know. This is where we come alive. Yeah, this is where we rise and shine. Yeah, this is where we come alive. This is where we rise and shine. Yeah, this is where we come alive. This is where we come alive. This is where we come alive. Through it all we'll rise. Through it all we'll shine. Through it all we'll rise.
They're here! No, not really, but they're here for pre-order. Work shirts.
This is where we come alive.
Check up there. Let's get back to the film. Hey guys, the 2021 promotion is still going on. You can win one of these ultimate beams by subscribing, commenting below on any Airkewld video you see. That's easy. That's all you got to do. Enter today, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.